Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. My name is Erika and I grow my food in zone 4 in Sweden. Today we are in the greenhouse, as you can see, and I thought it would be a great idea to make a plant presentation of the peppers that I have growing in here. That's going away. I can't be all over the place. The plants are all over the place and I try to keep tidy. Okay, where was I? We are in the greenhouse. I want to do a plant presentation of the peppers. Yeah, I have 4 different varieties of peppers growing in here, and we are mid-season, so I thought that if I do this today, I can do a follow-up in a couple of weeks time and you will see how they are getting along. So I hope you like peppers just as much as I do, because here we go. If you have been here with me before, you know that I have one bed going all around the greenhouse here, and then I have a big bed in the middle. And all the peppers, they are growing in this bed closest to the windows, and they are really liking it in here. First variety out is this one in here. This is the Tequila Sunrise. Okay, these fruits, as you can see, they grow upwards. Peppers usually hang down, but these don't do that. And I don't know if you can see here, I have a lot of fruit coming along, so they like it in here. These are sometimes, when you buy seeds, you can find them under the chili section, because they are sweet, but sometimes they can have a little bit of heat. So they are like between 0 and 500 Scovilles. So if you're looking for seeds and you can't find them in the pepper section, you might find them in the chili section. These fruits are going to be orange, yellowish. So it's a new variety for me this year, so I'm really looking forward to see how they are getting along. Next variety, you see here I have the next section. I have a variety that I have grown before, but I haven't been very successful with it, and it is the Chocobell. Starting to have some fruits down here, as you can see. Oops, I dropped my camera, so yeah, I showed you there are fruits coming along. We have one here and another one in here as well. These are going to be, as you can hear from the name, Chocobell, they are going to be like chocolate brown. And who doesn't like chocolates, my question. Okay, we come to a next section, and here we have a variety I have grown before. This is Ora Long. This is a heirloom variety from Hungary. As you can see, they are fruiting. I have a lot of fruit coming along on these ones, and a lot of flowers. Here we have fruit, and here we have a lot of small tiny ones coming along. And I saw this when I was walking around, and I think it's so beautiful. Can you see this flower? And you can see that it's been pollinated. It's gonna be a pepper there. Okay, so that's Soroksari. There's a lot of flowers on them, so this is a variety that gives you a high yield. And I have grown them before, but outside in the garden. And just let me say that they are showing to me that they are really like it in here instead of outside in the cold Swedish summer. I've had a small problem with snails in the greenhouse, and for some reason they like to eat the leaves of the Soroksari. You can see down here they have been quite eaten by the snails, and they have even been up here. But there are not as many snails in here now as it has been for different reasons. So the new growth are healthy, and the plants hasn't been too stressed about this snail problem that I've had. Okay, as you can see, time for a new section. The pepper in this section is a new variety for me this season. It's called Ora Long. I have a few fruits coming. if you can see here. A lot of them here as well. So there will be quite a few and a lot of flowers on them. So yeah, I'm looking forward. These are going to be orange in the color. And this one, this really big one down here, has been green for ages. So I'm starting to wondering if it's really going to be orange. But yeah, you know, patience when you grow food. This is the last pepper variety in the greenhouse, and this might be a problem for me later on, actually, because these can grow up to 110 centimeters. So that's quite high. We will see how they will do, because they are not that much higher than if we look like this. We see that the peppers are almost, the Tequila Sunrise down there, they are even higher. So they might not be 110-ish centimeters. Okay, so that's the peppers growing in here. Tequila Sunrise, the Chocobell, the Soroksari, and the Ora Long. Okay, that's the peppers growing in the greenhouse. If you have been here before, you know that this greenhouse is new for me for this season. We have built this or converted this garage into this greenhouse during the spring and beginning of the summer. If you want to see how we did it, you can go back and see. There are some videos out there on that build. But it's going to be so exciting to see what this means for everything that's growing in here. And I've been growing peppers at this site for many years before, but outside. And even though I've kept them in a protected area, you know, a lot of sun, a lot of warmth, and I've been getting peppers, but I can see on these plants that there are so much more flowers, so much more fruit. So it's going to be really exciting to see how much peppers I'm going to get. One thing that's new for me this season is that I try to weigh everything that I bring in from the garden. So I'm going to have a number on this later on. How much peppers of each variety did I actually get? Really exciting. I remembered that I didn't tell you how many plants of each variety I've had. So I did take a walk around and counted them. Wrote it down in my book so I could tell you, because maybe that's interesting to see. The Tequila Sunrise, 5 plants. Chocobell, 4. Now it feels like I'm, you know, like we're playing bingo or something. Soroksari, 6 plants. And the Ora Long is 7 plants. Yeah, that's the peppers. Now I'm really excited, you know, to hear, do you grow peppers? And what do you do with them? Do you have a favorite recipe, or you know, something that you like to do with your peppers that you want to tell me about? It will be really interesting to hear. I don't know what the next video is going to be about. It could be maybe the chilies, or some more tomatoes, or the eggplants maybe. Maybe you can tell me, what do you want to hear more about in the next plant presentation from the greenhouse? Tomatoes, chilies, eggplants, or the cucumbers maybe? Please leave a comment and tell me. Until the next time, take care everybody, and let's grow happiness one plant at a time.